Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited because we're kicking off a brand new year with a brand new box of the month. And the theme for January is something I think so many of us can relate to. You know that feeling right after the holidays when life slows down a little? Take down all the decorations and you really just want a warm drink in a cozy spot and maybe a good book. That reset, that deep exhale. That's exactly what inspired January's box. So this month for January, it's all about rainy day coziness, fresh starts, and those little moments of comfort and creativity. So I can't wait to share what's in your junior box. Tomorrow I'll be sharing the full reveal of the whole box of the month. So stay tuned for that. I'll be back tomorrow at 1 p.m. So we've got sweet rainy boots to umbrellas to books, soft watercolor patterns. Everything in this box is meant to feel gentle, encouraging, and hopeful. So let's take a look at our stamp set in your junior box, and this will also be in the box of the month. It's a 6x6 stamp set. It's called Rainy Reads. We have a sweet girl reading a book with a cup of hot tea or coffee, something warm, a couple of cookies, and she is just enjoying a good book. We have a sweet little puppy. I think it would be really cute to stamp the sweet puppy next to the girl. And then we have a stack of books with a cozy cup on top. We've got some reading glasses, another stack of books here, which would be really cute, stamped next to this girl here, reading by the windowsill. We have a cat stretching with some books and a hot cup of cocoa or something. And then we've got an umbrella with some little raindrops and a cloud with some raindrops. We've got Sentiments Missing You, More Than My Favorite Book, Rainy Days, Cozy Ways, Wishing You a Cozy Day, Rainy Days Pass, You've Got This, Snuggle In and Read On, A Note for You, Umbrellas Up, Books Open. So really cool stamp set. Let's take a look at the paper pad. So we've got Rainy Books and Boots. You get 4 of each design. The colors are just beautiful. We've got a blue, green, and yellow palette. This is a neat pattern. Looks like colored raindrops. You get some mugs, some books, watercolor solid, some watercolored raindrops with a green background, some icons that include books, umbrellas, and boots. And this one has some clouds with raindrops, nice chevron, watercolored. I love this one. It has some print in the background. And then some umbrellas. And then the Raining Books and Boots Ephemera is really, really cute. So let me take some of these out and then I'll just play a little music while I lay all of these out for you. So we got some really pretty images. There's some window images where you can like put the girl kind of like in front of it and make a little scene. Get books, and there's even an espresso machine. I love to make a latte or something like that when it's raining out. So really, really pretty. All kinds of books, and here's a cozy little chair. There's a little cat right there. Little umbrellas. There's some boots. Cozy little window scenes. Really cute.
Drip drop, tapping on the window pane. Gray skies trying to steal the day. But I've got paper, glue, and time, and a little spark that feels just right.
Rain boots lined up by the door. Clouds roll in, but we want more.
So we pull out colors bold and bright, turning rainy days into pure delight. When the world feels a little slow, we make our own kind of glow. Drip drop rain outside today, inside we craft the blues away. Paper smiles, a little cheer, everything feels brighter here. Shine on through the clouds we see, colors spill so happily. Rain or shine, loud and clear, we're crafting joy with rainy day cheer.
Let's take a look at the card I created. So I used one of those window scenes. I used a little cloud in the corner there, and some books and some reading glasses. Topped it off with some sparkling enamel dots. Stamped out umbrellas up, books open from the stamp set. Used Teresa's one and done banners. And then I tore some paper to add behind my scene. I love how it turned out. We have some new enamel dots in the shop starting January 1st. This is the Strawberry Kitchen. It goes pretty nicely with the theme this month. So let's take a look at the card fronts. So we have a brand new set. In your junior box, you get the full pack. Remember, there's some sentiments on the back that you can use with Teresa's one and done die. So you'll just take her die, align it up, and then add a little washi tape before running it through your die cutting machine. That way it doesn't shift on you. We've got some beautiful images in here. So that's everything in your junior box of the month. Let's go ahead and color up this image here. I want to color up this cutie with the dog and create a little scene. So let's go make a card. So when we mask, we're going to want to stamp out what's in front first. So I'm going to line up my dog where I want. So right about there. So we're going to stamp the dog, add a mask on top, and then stamp the girl. Now we're going to stamp it with some masking paper. Now I'll just go ahead and cut this out.
Umbrellas dancing, puddles splash, rainbow dreams in every dash.
Scissors snip and laughter flows, magic happens, heaven knows.
Clouds can't stay forever long, we turn the rain into a song.
Lay your love in every piece, let the worries fade, release.
Now we're going to add our image. You want to make sure that the coffee cup is straight, and that will, then you'll know how your image is, because if you line it up like this, your coffee cup's going to be sideways. So look at the coffee cup when lining this image up. I'm going to see what sentiment I want to use, because then maybe I can position this. So I really like the snuggle in and read on for this, because we've got the little puppy that's snuggling in the bed. So I want to see where I'm going to be putting this. So maybe just down here, and then do a little square card. I think that's what we'll do. We could also do it on the top, but I think I like it on the bottom.
When the sky is feeling gray, we choose color anyway. Drip drop rain outside today, inside we craft the blues away. Paper smiles, a little cheer, everything feels brighter here. Shine on through the clouds we see, colors spill so happily. Rain or shine, loud and clear,
We're crafting joy with a rainy day cheer.
how cute. They look very snuggly together.
Every drop just helps things grow. Every storm lets beauty show.
Hands stay busy, hearts feel light. We make our own sunshine bright. Little moments, big heart smiles, worth every crafty mile.
Soft drop, hear the rain. We don't mind, we're entertained. Colors bloom and joy appears.
Hello, happy rainy day cheer.
Rainy day cheer. Drip drop rain outside today. Inside we craft the blues away. Paper smiles, a little cheer.
Everything feels brighter here.
Shine on through the clouds we see. Colors spill so happily. Rain or shine, loud and clear.
We're crafting joy with a rainy day cheer.
Rainy days don't disappear.
They turn magical right here.
Okay, so let's stamp out our sentiment. Snuggle in and read on. Okay, so my card base measures 5.5 by 5. Okay, so this is the finished card. Turned out super sweet. I love the added brown for those enamel dots. It brings out the brown in the puppy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this card, and meet me back tomorrow, 1 p.m. for another reveal. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you then. Bye, guys.